Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you the easiest way to set time and date on Hero Xpulse 200. So if you also have got this adventure bike, this video will be very helpful to set time and date. But before moving to the video, if you are new in this channel, please subscribe it. Let's get started. The very first step to set time and date on Hero Xpulse is you have to turn on the ignition of your bike. After turning on the ignition, you will see instrument cluster like this, where on the right side of your instrument cluster you will see two buttons, M for mode and S for set button. You have to press that mode and set button at the same time for few seconds. After pressing for few seconds, you can see here on the instrument cluster that hour is blinking as shown on the video. Yes, after blinking, to set that hour or to go ahead, you have to press set button one by one. That brings hour ahead. Let's press one by one, 3, 4, 5. In this way you can adjust hour. Now to adjust minute, you have to press mode button one more time. After pressing for mode button, you can see minutes have started blinking. Now follow the same step. Press set button one by one to go ahead. 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is how you can adjust hour and minute. Now after adjusting these, to adjust year and date, you have to press mode button one more time. You can see here on instrument cluster that year 2000 is blinking. Now press set button one by one to go ahead. 2001, 2002, 2003. So in this way you can adjust year. Now to adjust month, now again press mode button one more time. After pressing for that, you can see the February month is blinking. Now press set button one by one to go ahead. February, March, April. In that way you can adjust month. Now to adjust date, you have to press mode button one more time. Let's go to adjust date. You have to press now mode button one more time. You can see after pressing that button, the date is blinking. Now press set button to go ahead like we did before. So in this way you can adjust date. After adjusting these all, to keep it fixed, you have to press mode button one time at last. Now whatever adjustment you have did is fixed. Now even though I will turn off the ignition and turn it back on, the time whatever I have fixed, 5, 11, the date, everything is fixed over here. So if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and thank you very much for watching till the end.